Hello guys, welcome to Soft YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do it to subscribe. Today we have another top trick to bring to you guys concerning Adsense active dashboard. The first one we dropped. Now we are going to drop two portal that will enable you to get your Adsense activated immediately. The first one in our list is called, go to Google and paste Random.minigame.vip. Then the second one is Hdedf.minigame.vip. Okay, just search them. Don't worry about the URL. It's there on the video URL. So what you just need is to copy the URL and paste it on your AdSense. Okay. Go to your AdSense account. Although this one has already been approved by HTML5, beg your pardon, games. Okay, mini games. Let's see. Okay, said this is a top level domain. What you need to do is to return back. You copy it like this. Don't worry, the description is there. Okay, the URL is there in the video description, beg your pardon. So you just add side, you save, you publisher's ID. Watch this video till the end. If this is the first time watching our video, please do well to subscribe to this channel to encourage us to keep you posting and to give you the latest updates that will help you and to change your life. Okay, what is there is this, we have to add the second one, which is Random.minigames. They are the same, just like they are just like subdomain, but it's exactly like game picks, the same percentage for both. Let me read for you to understand before we proceed. It said, to use AdSense with minigames.vip, you are subject to the terms and conditions of the agreement you entered into with minigames.vip and the AdSense term. This includes a share of revenue, which is currently 50% to minigame.vip. As I told you earlier, that is just like GamePix, that is 50-50. You understand and agree that any ads revenue shared on the shared traffic with minigames.vip will be paid directly to the minigames.vip. Notwithstanding, anything contrary to in your AdSense, beg your pardon, terms of service, which remains in a full force and effect. Minigames.vip control all ad setting, including format setting, blocking control, A/B tests, and enabling experimental AdSense features on the shared traffic on the site. You authorize minigame.vip to have this control, and you acknowledge that any services and acts by minigames.vip are provided by minigames.vip. By granting this request and authorizing access to minigames.vip to the shared traffic on this site, you acknowledge and agree that 1. Permitting minigame.vip to access and manage your shared traffic is done solely within your discretion and at your own risk. And 2. Honor the terms and conditions use of agreement with Google associated with use of AdSense service. You remain fully responsible for the use of AdSense service within your account, or none or on your shared traffic, I beg your pardon, including all acts and omission by minigames. In addition to the above, your ad review center and policy violation data for the shared traffic on this site will be visible on minigame.vip. Google makes no promise or commitment about the performance, quality, or acts of minigames.vip. Google may discontinue minigames.vip access to monetization feature for the shared traffic or terminate the feature entirely anytime at its sole discretion. So they are putting it very clear that this can cast. A pan tip that does not even did not even stay up to 48 hours, or let me say 3 to 4 days or 72 hours. It terminates. So please hurry now and get your dashboard now. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Please share, like, and comment on this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.